let me ask you a question. Me in a Walgreen earlier, right? And the line long people. Me not lie. The line long. But me going there for when me want and me determined to join the long line. No, me don't know. Look like tax money leg or something I go on. Anyway, this man argue with the cashier over him hold up the line basically because him and the cashier argue over him receipt. Because on the monitor you can press print only or send to email. Now him send him receipt to him email and apparently he wanted a printed receipt. Now the proper thing for her to do was to call the manager, but today I tell him say it's sent to him email already and him can go get it from him email. Him no want no email, the man want him printed receipt, so it cause an argument. People, me don't know where the man go get a cup. Me don't know where the man go get a bathroom, but me I tell you say the line long so me in there so me I witness everything. Hey people, the man go ejaculate and come back and throw the sperm in the cashier face. Oh my Jesus! No, my Jamaican people, they talk to me. Talk to me. No. Hey, as a Jamaican, in throw the sperm in your face, you not jump over the counter and grabbing people. You not lose your job right there, so. Everything on the counter now, check and throw off of the man. The cashier stand up and cry. Well, the Jamaican people there. Hey! No. Me say, alright, that's why I lose my job, people. Right, and the funny thing, you go in our eye, you don't even know if the man have sickness, you don't even know if the man have disease. Eh? And she stand up and cry. People, no man, in other country, let me tell you something. Customer is not always right. The proper thing for her to do, me not tell her like, call the manager, you don't know if you get it back, because it gone to him email already. But for you, for going in the bathroom, do what you have to do, and then come and throw it in a filmy face, and me stand up and cry. Hey! No. The dirty, nasty Jamaican in a me would have to jump over that the counter there. Me say everything around the register to offer him. You hear me?
Problem, mommy, problem.
Me say when me done they would have to fire me, but me now stand up and cry. Jamaican people, they talk to me now. What would I do? You tried something and throw in my face and me stand up and cry because me know I lose the job in America and me straight. Hey, come on. Me mother no me. Hey, Papa G, only tell the people what would I do in a situation like this? Eh? No man, some of them customer then too terrible. But this is one job when would I prepare for lose. What would I do with Jamaica? Me love them Jamaican people, no come in no think no Jamaican would I stand up and just take it, so I stand up and cry. Hey, tell me what I do.
Yeah, man, welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. So, the aim of the video today, guys, actually, I'm going to do some reactions based on Jamaicans in the US. Yeah, man. So, you don't know, big up me, Jamaicans, out in the overseas, you don't know, we actually go over there for work and better ourselves. You don't know everybody want better anyway still. Yeah, man. So, but decided to actually do a reaction today. Yeah, man, where, Jamaicans versus United States are, abroad, see me. Yeah, man. So I actually have some clips I actually can share with you guys where that is actually concerned. Everybody have a different experience and, yeah, man, I kind of want to go through that today. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So that video, I kind of talk about it a little bit. So this lady is actually saying that she experienced wherein a man was actually unsatisfied with the service, and that cashier, he actually do him thing. When you say doing thing, we have to actually say the thing still. And, throw it in the girl face. You don't know, say, Jamaicans, hey, me don't know, but that I don't know if you take lightly anyway still. But it's especially if you see a job, you don't really want to lose your job still, but that is something wearing. Yeah, man, some serious action if you actually take, still, tell you honest truth. Based on what she's actually saying. Yeah, man, but some things can't really happen, and it's like, you have to wonder why you sometimes still. Yeah, man. So, me don't know. You can actually comment in the section. Um, you know, your input. See me. Based on that video. What would you actually do? Yeah, man. So, we can talk about that in the comment section. Anyway, we can go to another video as we go along with us. Can talk about it. But my reaction is, fight will have to go on, peeps. Fight will have to go on. Come here, defend that him. As you said, the Jamaican way in a way. I don't do something about that. I take that one lightly, I swear. Yeah, man. But, sometimes I hear some things, boy. It's like, you have to really share them sometimes. Anyway, can I go to the other video? Uh, yeah, man. But I must say, everybody have a different experience. All right, we play the other clip and then we just react towards it. Yeah, man. One Gabidan Family TV. All right, here you go, guys.
Hey, let me tell you something, man. If I was not born a Jamaican, I would definitely sue my parents. You understand me? This brother, this man here, come here on a B1, B2 visa, right? Listen, when me first hear the story, me say if this is not one Jamaican, something wrong somewhere. That's when me first hear the story, right? So the man come here on a B1, B2 visa and was expected to depart the country, I think, in the October of the year that he came here, right? But unfortunately, he did not, right? So being a illegal immigrant, the man go look at work. And the man go look at work as a police officer. And of course, the man get the work as a police officer and start work as a policeman.
Bad so, eh? A busy man go for the brother. Man go for, yeah, you want to work, yeah.
Right? Hey, let me tell you something. I have to love my people. Because nothing can keep without them. Nothing can keep without them. If this is not the level of braveness, I don't know what is.
Yeah.
But anyway, at this time, we just need to release that man out of detention center and give him his citizenship. Or, if they do deport him, which likely that's what they're going to do, if they do deport him, Jamaican government don't just need to give the brother, hire the brother as a police officer ASAP. You me tell you, hire the man. Because me can't blame the man. Blame the people who conduct background check and say it was okay for him to work. You understand me? I don't know if people don't have to blame. You can't blame me, brother. You don't do nothing wrong. The man I look at work, and this is called by any means necessary. Me I go do what me have to go do. All when me legal, me I go do it. It's what it is. So me can't blame the brother. The man just brave. Be a badness man. This is for the
Yeah, man. So as she actually said, mentioned, you know, the gentleman actually go look at work. Nothing wrong with that. A man a look better for himself. After the man go and rob and take anything from anybody, I work, the man go look and then give him the work. Even though he actually illegal that kind of way. Boy, I might tell the Jamaicans we are the best, man. Yeah, man. But the one that the normal still, you know. The man go and get the work as a police officer in the States. Brother, John no star. Yeah, man, the one that tough anyway still. John know you, Jamaicans, man, we are the best. Anyway, can I actually play our next one? As I mentioned earlier and still, I'm not actually just reacting based on Jamaicans in the US. Yeah, man. So this is another one.
This is for the Jamaican them who they are fired. Make we talk. Bills. Me know some head hurts now when I hear that word there. Bills. Make I say it again. Bills. Make we talk about it. You get paid on the first, you broke by the second. That the truth? Right? Rent, or mortgage, car insurance, car payments. What else? Credit card, light, water, phone bill, gas, groceries. Plus, worse if you have bikini. You know how it go. And no matter how you hustle, coming like, no matter how you hustle, it's like you can't catch up. Because it's coming like the first of the month come, then the second come, then the other first of the month come. It's like you can't, you not breathe. If you like somebody have their hand on your neck so I not choke you. Because no matter how you try to catch up and say, yes, me pay off this. Here comes another one. Boop in your face.
Yeah, man. So she's actually saying that life in the US not easy, you know? Yeah, man. Not easy. So sometimes more we call and we say we want a dollar and two boy peeps. People they not have it easy. Same way. Yeah, man.
So tell the Jamaican people them say, oh, this is how foreign really is. Cause sometimes I'm not telling all that when we there Jamaica, we are bra out, we look good. Tell all the summer we are walk up and down like madman and madwoman. Talk the truth. Some of we look like madman and madwoman at our work. Because the bills them are stress we out. We need justice, we stress out. And when they say one look $50 Jamaica no pay a problem.
Yeah.
When they tell us if you pack one barrel, you say, all right, I go pack the barrel. You buy the barrel January, the barrel set off until June. Them are cost. Where we get it from? Them barely survive. And every year, rent gone up. Talk about it.
Yeah, man. So that was actually a Jamaican in the US actually. Giving her point of view based on, you know, Jamaican lifestyle in the US. Yeah, man, we don't know say a thing no easy still and we have to just appreciate the thing sometime. You know, sometimes we get some barrel, we get some things. You understand? We say, boy, we don't want it and ray. But, yeah, man, we all get the understanding. You know? Yeah, man, so we actually gonna play another one. We just gonna go through and, you know, react on it same way. Yeah, man, so life in the US, you know, easy. That's the whole understanding, you know? Bills and, you know, food and all of these things. Yeah, man, that is it. Alright, so go up another clip, guys. Yeah, man, can I start over that? Alright.
Advice me Jamaicans them who come after. Let me tell you something. You cannot help nobody if you can't help yourself. Let me repeat. You cannot help nobody if you can't help yourself. So whether that means if you go back to school, learn a trade or get a work. Alright? Next, if you live in New York and Cali, you know, nothing wrong to stay with your family. Nothing no wrong with it. Save your money, help the people them with little bills. Alright? When you come after, you're gonna learn how to adapt. Things are gonna change, you have to adapt to it. The car them, especially the man them in New York, don't got to cut no Benz and BMW to impress them New York girl. Them broke. Them girl they broke. Alright? Credit cards. For the life of me, let me explain something to you now. You see when you come in at the mail and say, hey guys, you've been approved for $10,000. Go on at the back part, you see, I go see where you say 28% interest or APR. That means that any money where you spend on the card, you got them go put 28% interest on the money. Avoid the payday loan them like poison. Avoid them, because if you borrow $1,000, $3,000, you pay them back. Next thing, nothing wrong with Marshalls and TJ Maxx, you know. And the whole of we are going to Gucci and Louis. Understand? Alright. For the susu no, me love partner, you know. Nobody no love partner like me. But sometimes when we come and find part, this susu mash up. Oh God, I'll agree. me don't want to talk about that partner.
Yeah, I better about Jamaicans in the US, man. Hey, we're not normal, brother. Yeah, man, but you know, if you get a little understanding, life in the US not easy. Yeah, man. So that is a clear warning. You know, when you go foreign, if you get a bus, you just go and make some money and start with yourself. Yeah, man. No joke about it. Yeah, man. Life is real, you know. Anyway, we can go through same way. We can give you another clip. Yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoying yourselves so far. And, yeah, man. It's a good vibe. It's a good vibes and it's actually educational as well. You know? Yeah, man. Good to listen all of these things.
Never send that message here to some Jamaican. We left Jamaica and come to the United States. The fun come by means of visa on the border on a ticket and come here and the fun come by means of coming across the border. Regardless of how to check it costs money for come here. And pretty much it's summed down to one thing. When you come here for a better life. So for you come here for a better life, when you come in this country here, please the better please. When you can't come with the same dirty mentality what I have in Jamaica and feel as though this is a country when you can't get away with certain things. When you need for the better. When you need your life change and want a better life, when you not come here with the same mentality. Change in the mindset. Because remember, the America is not like Jamaica. Stuff that when you can't get away with in Jamaica, it not work here, so. Half enough you to come at the United States with the same arms house and the same war and crime and want to kill off one another. We want to keep up the same fuck. Remember, America is the country that gives people more time than any country in the world. The fun I go to prison. The fun I go get some 60 and some 80 years. Wanna do better now, please? Wanna come here for do better and change in a life? Wanna do that? Work on the money, save on the money, send it back home. I owe one build a foundation here, so build a foundation here, so. But the first thing on the need for do, sort on the immigration status out first. Enough people seek asylum and them get that piece of paper. But them need to sort themselves out or take whatever channel them need to take on for them, get the piece of paper and get released in the country. That's it, then they look up on them immigration papers again. Remember, they have a bit changing of the guards. And when this government here change, a whole heap of una go get deported. And a lot of una go back to Jamaica in a worse situation that una come here. So look what time una have. Una use it for good use. And una bring the arms house come back. And enough una have the same non-ambition mentality at Jamaica una come here with the same thing. Una no want better. A lot of people in Jamaica want the opportunity to do better. And can't get it. That's another old time saying you want it, can't get it, and get it, and want it.
True.
So all that we come here, we want go with the trend and we want use every dollar where we have and buy on how much clothes and no floss and got party and do all of that and not save nothing. No funny I go feel it. No funny girl who still want to come here with the Macbeth and the hair and the style and the all type of something. No funny I go get deported and I go feel it and I go back home. Worse than I want to come here. So I want to make use of the time now, please. Wanna do better. The fun I suffer too long and we get the chance to do better and in life, wanna do better and make some form of changes, man. Please, I'm thankful now.
Yeah, man. So that is just straight facts. You know, so this guy is actually a Jamaican and he actually giving some serious advice to his brothers, his Jamaican brothers and sisters, you know, regarding where the United States is concerned. Yeah, man. Just do the right thing, you know. Just live. When you say when you go look better, you have to just tell yourself, say, boy, yeah, certain things. You have to just put it on and just try and, you know, make our money. And if a year they want to come back and build up back, yeah, they do that. You know, work and save your money just according to what the man say. Yeah, man, and take US laws serious. That is my understanding from what the man is actually saying. Yeah, man, but anyway, just react towards the thing and go through see me. Yeah, man, so play another video. You know? Yeah, man, do the right thing, man. Alright.
You tell yourself, say, when you come far and pay stress. You sit down in your car and you look on bills and you say to yourself, say, Father God, between the bills, the car note, cost of living, food, the kids, you can't, you tell yourself, say, you like you work to pay them things there. And you're going a repeated cycle, right? And now you tell yourself, say, God, no man, what me I do wrong, right? Anyways, while I didn't know in the car, somebody called from Jamaica to tell us that they beg your thing. In the conversation, you say, you know, so I can't help you right now. I go send you something later. You hear them now? Oh, so when me call and I beg, me don't like beg, no. I like beg a foreign. Because when nobody beg, don't feel so, can style we and go on.
That is so true. Yeah, man, that is so true.
Me actually I think I really need it. The whole of foreign broke. The whole of foreign broke, we don't have nothing. The whole of just a bar from one another, we don't have nothing. You're so tired you can't even engage in the argument with them. Right? You just hang up your phone. 2 weeks later now you sit down and eat your dinner. A call come in. May I beg you $100 and I really desperately need it. What you do?
That is a tough situation. Yeah, man. So what this young lady is actually saying that, you know, easy moral when, you know, your brothers and sisters, or your mother, your father, your uncle, or whoever that person may actually be. You call and they may beg you a thing. Sometimes the people they don't have it like that. You know, even though if they actually, you know, they have a thing, you don't know, say, well, yeah, bills have to pay and all of these things, you have a conscience sometimes. Yeah, man. So that is something for you actually look into, you know. Alright, so she's actually in the US. Yeah, man, and she actually can give her a point on this thing. Yeah, man. Just make we do the right thing, have a conscience more still, you know? Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man, life not easy in the US, so we just go through another one, see me, quick and fast.
Nobody asked me, but I'm going to share my 10 cents anyways. Take this from a Jamaican, we just moved from a foreign. In other foreign lands, mighty God, you have to work 2 job, 3 job, 4 job, 1 job just knock with it unless you live with your family and you have no responsibility. You know, no friend of foreign, so if you live for a company, left at an airport. In other foreign lands, your face might break out. Facially frustrated for almost a year. If you're afraid of weight like me, don't come over here, come eat up there unhealthy food. It's not the same as the food in Jamaica. You got bad mind the people in my yard, because they don't there live life, man. Tell you. Social media is not a real place. People not post them struggles. Know that. It's the land of opportunities, as they say. You can make it, but you have to be smart with it. Live below your means. When nobody come over here, come pull up on nobody black skirt within the toxic behavior, because police will find you now. Don't take the people them credit card and max it out, and I go join in a dates. Family I first for this in the foreign lands. Find somebody where focus, two on focus together. Like and follow for part 2.
Yeah, man. So that's actually another Jamaican in the US. Yeah, man, just giving her point of view. Yeah, man. So we have to actually take these things as a lesson, you know? Yeah, man. Whenever you go to these places and you decide, say, you go for work and make money and that is sky laugh and braff and party and all of these things, work and carry your money, come back to your yard. Yeah, man, and build yourself and build your family, you know? Yeah, man. And she actually mentioned that, you know, you have to actually help out with our bills and all them things. There's like, you know, sometimes even you see them family, them same way. You know, you get a bus and you're the monks, them you have to get active. Yeah, man, that is my understanding. Yeah, man. Because, you know, family sometimes, they just get tired and frustrated and, yeah, a bag of things go on. Anyway, can I play another video? So that is my reaction still, you know. Yeah, man, just walk on, do the right thing, man, get serious and know so well, yeah, a sky laugh thing. Yeah, man.
So guys, it's 2020, in a COVID, I work in a Jamaican restaurant. 2021, I work in a Jamaican restaurant. 2022, I work in a Jamaican restaurant. I get $350 an hour. I work, I scale fish, 100 and fish. I wash pot, I wash pan, I do everything. $350. You understand? The train over this now. That's why I pause the video. Here, homeless people on the street, and I sleep right here, so. And they're all over the place. And they with her suitcase and sleep, she asleep. Later now, 9 night, she go up on the train and sleep. So what I say is, I don't know how people lazy, I don't know how people work, I don't know how some big man out here come on social media every day and beg, and some man do it and say I don't know how to do it. I don't know how it is normal for big people to get up every day and beg and make people take care of them. What are you teaching your children? Yes, so I'm back to the restaurant affair. I work with my children hard. Work some good 14, 16 hours to my children because remember when you work in a Jamaican restaurant, you know, you not get overtime, they not pay you. So I always have a writ against Jamaican restaurant because only do me 30 in a foreign as a girl who used to work without papers in a foreign. You understand? Anyway, in a 2022, I work in a restaurant and I work and I do home health here. That time I not even have survey ticket yet. That time I use tax ID. And then I'm so sorry that they stop using tax ID because a lot of people would want to work. And guys, me I work the 2 jobs. You understand me? And when we left the restaurant work, me got a White Plains. Not White Plains Road, you know, White Plains in Westchester. Take the 40 bus go to White Plains and take the 13 bus go to one place they call Usnin. Train and come again, they go hard. So I go all out for one job 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. And when I left, I come back home, bed, and get a little nap and then go to a restaurant. You know, easy to work in a restaurant and do a next job, you know, because the restaurant job alone, you're being underpaid and you're doing the most work. The amount of work you have to do in a restaurant. Oh my God, Jesus. That's why a lot of people say they come here and work in a restaurant. But that's where you have to start from. You have to start from the bottom, come up. You understand? the work, and me not take no time, and me have to sit up on bus, go all the way to Westchester and White Plains at night time. I say, guys, my back, me develop a back ache, and when me develop the back ache, I didn't know what was happening. I realized that me cannot walk. I had sciatic nerve, pinched nerve, herniated disc, everything. My back done for. Guys, it was at December in 2022. At 3 different times, I have to go to emergency room. Me there not Central the Bronx, me there Jacoby, me there Montefiore in the Bronx. So me have to do the emergency room them. They might give me oxycodone, tramadol, everything, and they now work as this is the first time. And you know, when you're coming out of foreign country, so me there Jamaica, me not sick. The only thing we have is headache. So when you come here, remember, when you come out foreign, man, something happy to you. Something happy to you.
Yeah, man. Hard work, you know. Yeah, man. Some people work some jobs, you know, 2, 3, 4, or even 5 jobs too, just to make ends meet. Yeah, man. As the lady actually said, when she there yard, she not sick, but work, the way they work, so hectic over there, you know. Yeah, man. Can cause illness. Yeah, man. So if you appreciate when a man or a woman go say them go foreign work for their money and then come back and build themselves better, we're not supposed to bad man and grudge anybody for them things. You understand? Because life in the US is not easy. You know, as the lady explained, you know, she left her yard, go foreign to make better, and that is her experience. Yeah, man. But you don't know, we'll move on to the next video.
I want to know if I me want this rich. Me pack up my little things and go to Jamaica. The person who pick me up, I have to give them gas money plus toll. Plus, when we reach my destination, they never have an undisclosed amount how much me give them. Never. It's always let off for food. I put something in my hand. Next thing, if me tap along the way from the airport and me hungry, me have to give them, me have to buy food for me plus them. So I want to know if I me want it to reach. Comparing to America now, whether me drive an hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, or even me sit down in the traffic, go through toll. Me never charge a person $1 because I don't feel like it's necessary, right? I don't make, I do it, you know. I have to carry something from foreign for them. So I want to know if I me want that extortion they are reach or what. Don't talk to me. Tell me if me wrong.
Me understand what she's actually saying still. So it's like, you know, when a person actually coming from far, well, yeah, when they come from far, we expect say, well, yeah, we get all of the good things them, you know. We get clothes and shoes and cologne and lotion and all of them things. You know, money in a pocket. Yeah, man. So it's not a form of extortion. A long time them thing they are going, man. It's just the expectation, you know. Yeah, man. You expect say, yeah, you're gonna get something nice, but the people them have a lot to go through, brother. Yeah, man. Alright, so me actually have one more video for you actually play. You know. Yeah, man. We have one more video. Alright, so we just hear what this person actually has said, and then we talk about that.
Let me tell y'all something about Uptown. This shit is a whole different fucking world. Like, once you go past 180th Street, bro, welcome to Kingston, Jamaica. You go a little further up, you might be in Portmore. But baby, you in Jamaica. This is no longer America, is what I'm trying to I'm not trying to tell you. I'm trying to show you. As soon as you get off the train on any stop, bro, going from like, I'ma say Gun Hill and up to taxi, baby. You want a taxi? Look for a taxi? Like, damn!
Yeah, man. So better say boy Jamaicans, but you know, it's like the same attitude or the same you know, how we actually deal with things. It's like Jamaicans, they all be Jamaicans. You know, I hope that actually kind of cover everything. Yeah, man. So that was actually a young lady in the US giving her point based on, you know, Jamaicans in the US. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. If you guys actually make it this far in the video, give a thanks. Yeah, man. If you're new to the channel, just please do the right thing. Yeah, man. Show some support. Yeah, man. Just subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know, tell a friend, tell a friend. I try to build it thing away still, you know. Yeah, man. One Gabidan Family TV. That is it. Yeah, man. So until the next video, peeps, I just hope you actually learn something coming down in these videos, the audio actually. Yeah. Hope you actually learn something, you know. Every day you learn something new still. Anyway, until the next video, peeps. Yeah, man. That is basically it. Was a good vibe. I learned some things actually myself. And I know actually how to, you know, can handle a certain situation. Anyway, yeah, man, bless up on yourself until the next video. You know, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man, one done. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, that is it. I'm out.